Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today we are gonna look at a Resurrection remix for Moto G5s Plus. So guys, there are actually so much ROM for Moto G5s Plus, but the Resurrection remix is the one in which you can do some more customization and all that stuff. So if you're a kind of guy who loves to do customization in your phone, then the Resurrection remix is the one you need. So yeah, so now let me just show you from where you can download the ROM itself and the GApp. So I have the link in the description below. Just head over to the link in the description below and download your ROM and the GApps. And the GApps that you need is ARM64 and yeah, Android 8.1, and the variant you can download according to your personal preference. So yeah, so guys, now let's quickly go to the recovery. So yeah, that is what we have to do. So let it just shut down. And guys, we are gonna also talk about the bugs and the features that we'll get in this ROM in the later part of the video, so stay tuned. So yeah, so you have to press your volume down button and the power button in order to go to the recovery mode. I think you'll know that. So yeah, just do that. So guys, this is the start. So just press your volume down button. So it's start, restart bootloader, and then the recovery. So let me just press it, and yeah, this is the recovery mode, and in order to enter, just press your power button. So yeah, that is what you have to do. So guys, we are here. So now let's just go to the wipe and swipe to factory reset. So that is what you have to do first. So let me just swipe to factory reset. It will not clear your internal storage, it will just clear your data. And you can also go to the advanced and wipe the system if you want. So yeah, so guys, now let's go to the directory where you have put in your ROM and a GApp. So let me just go there. So yeah, so guys, here we have a ROM. So this is the RR. So yeah, that is what we have. So just install it quickly. So guys, the GApps already been installed, so just to reboot our system. And guys, it will take quite a bit of time, so just don't panic if it takes about 5 to 6 minutes. So just wait at least 5 to 6 minutes before just getting frustrated. So just don't worry about that, it will get reboot into your ROM. So yeah, so if it's your first time, then yeah, I would recommend you to just don't panic. And if something wrong happens, then yeah, you have to take your backup first. I forgot to tell you, but you can take your backup if it's if something wrong happened. So yeah, so guys, we have been rebooted into our ROM. So guys, let me just set it up quickly. And yeah guys, so guys, this is the ROM itself. And yeah, so yeah, it's completely what do you say, stock experience with some more customization. So yeah, so that is what it is. So guys, let me just go to the settings and show you the customization features that we have. So yeah, so this is the home settings. Not much customization in the home, but yeah, let's go to the settings. And guys, in the configuration department, we have a lot, I would say hell lot of amount of customization, like this clock and date where you can just get your clock in the middle. So yeah, if you want that, then you can do that. And yeah, we have some more interesting customization like changing your status bar, your notification bar, and all that stuff. As you can see, this is the status bar weather, that will get your weather on your status bar. So yeah, that's a good thing. If you want that, then you can get that. So if you like a customization in your Android device, then this is the ROM that you need. And yeah, this is the brand logo that you can put on your status bar if you want. So yeah, that option is also there. And guys, overall this ROM is really good. I'm using it for about 7 days, and I haven't what do you say, haven't seen any bug regarding fluidity of the phone. But guys, there is one major bug, and that is the camera bug. Yeah guys, the camera is not working in this ROM. I don't know why, but if it works in the future, then I will update you with the same. And if you are watching this video after a month or so, then the link will be in the description below, the fixed link. I hope it might be in the description, so just don't forget to check out the description. And the Android version, as you can see, it's 8.1. so yeah, the latest version. And the security patch level is also kind of latest. So guys, this is for this video now. And guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then guys, get subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And yeah, goodbye, see you later.